Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. There she is, the 1956 Chevy Nomad. Come out pretty nice. It was a bit challenging. I had a couple of people tell me that it's a work of love here. It went together fairly easy. I run into a few issues. The dash was a three-piece dashboard, which had its own set of issues. It had very limited contact points, so it was very finicky in the way it went together, but after a little while of perseverance it worked out. Of course, at the end of the build I discovered there was a headlight bezel completely missing, so I went to the old parts bin and found a perfect pair of headlight bezels, and of course this model being 125 scale, the other ones that I found in my parts bin were 124 scale, so it would have looked like a giant bug-eyed Sprite there. So I decided just not to go with it and pick up a part when I go to the next swap meet, if I can find either a cheap model or maybe a 55 or a 57 that might have something similar, and I'll figure that out. As long as it's in 125 scale, I can work with it. But this thing came out pretty nice. Remember, I painted it in the Krylon metallic gold, and then the Rust-Oleum satin black, which really shines up pretty nice. I'm pretty impressed with that. That's all she wrote on this one. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Let me pop the hood here and show you a little bit of detail in there. Let's see. Yeah, I can't get a real good light on there. Let's see if I tilt this up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. I'm scared if I open the hood a little too far it'll snap the hinges off. But it come out nice. I enjoyed it. It was a bit of a challenge for a kit. It's a skill level 3, which normally I don't have an issue with, but you know, as I get older I'm frustrated a little bit easier, I guess. But that missing headlight bezel really took the wind out of my sails. It bummed me right out. But it happens. And that's what happens when you have a kit packed away for, what was it, 27 years. And that's all she wrote on this one. I thank you all for stopping by. Have yourselves a great day, and please come back for more fun. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Like, share, comment, and subscribe on this one. Let me know what you think, and we'll move on to the next one. I appreciate it. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you next time.